Hi guys, it's me, Wami, and today we're going to make a shirr or smock top. Tama ba yung pronunciation? Hindi ko alam eh. Anyways, we're doing that today in two ways. So, if you want more videos from me, please do subscribe to my channel. I upload every Friday. And I would like to thank all of you for growing my channel into 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. I am truly grateful. So, let's proceed to the video. First way is using an elastic thread. First item is a cropped polo. Nasira ko siya, kaya ibang project na lang yung gagawin ko sa kanya. And PS, I'm not gonna wear the item because it didn't fit me when I tried wearing it. So I made another one but different fabric. So first, I'm removing the buttons and the pocket. I'm cutting the fabric to a rectangular shape. Once I'm done cutting them, I sew them together to make a long rectangular shape. Again, I'm so redundant. So it's time for the shear. You'll be needing an elastic thread for this. I set my sewing machine on the longest stitch, which is number 3, and my tension is 7 or 8. For the threads, upper thread will be a regular thread and the bottom thread will be an elastic thread. Tongue twister! Then I went into sewing. Please do use a lightweight fabric to really see the shear. I'm tugging the fabric to flat out and to just angle the stitch. I also did hem the edges. When shearing, it can take some time. It took me 2 hours to shear. So it's 1 a.m. and I'm done with this tube. So this is the outcome. So I sheared this within 2 hours. So, this will not fit me, of course, because ngayon ko lang na-realize na hindi pala siya nakasya sa akin. Kasi, onti lang yung fabric na to, hanggang ganito lang. So, hindi siya kakasya sa akin. But I'm going to wear the other two that I made. The one I made off camera and the one I made, the green one. So I'm just gonna share it to you guys. After sewing, I stitched the ends together and zigzagged the edges. Here's the final result. I think it will fit for a child's body. Child's body. Next is for the second way, the elastic garter. For the next item, I'm using this green yellowish polo. Ang kapal ng fabric na to. That's why we are using a garter for this. I cut the fabric into the length that I want. Went in to remove the buttons and stitch the edges. Now for the elastic part, I'm using a very thin garter kasi yun lang ang meron ako. Then I proceeded to sew it. Straight stitch lang mga mare. Sa top part lang muna para kumapit. I proceed sa bottom para cute sa bewang. I did this for 3 times. When I was done, I sewed the ends together. So here's the final result. It's cute naman, but again, it was too small for me, but it did fit me. So that's it. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye! See you again in Friday.